Humble on the track.
Okay, so I'm going to be trying a wash and go with these Camille Rose products. I've heard a lot about this product, specifically the Honey Hydrate, so we're going to see how it works. My hair is freshly washed. I deep conditioned my hair, so I just rinsed it out. And I have never done a wash and go really, so I've done it like once, but it wasn't good. So we're going to see how it turns out. Okay, I'm gonna section my hair. This is the first section.
Humble on the track.
Timothy's time to take cover.
Humble on the track.
Smells good. It melts in your hand, so when you put it on your hair, it's easily distributable. That's a word. Definitely defining my curls.
Humble on the track.
It smells really good. I don't know if I should go in with this. I've never done this like a good wash and go.
Humble on the track.
This is not, like, the product is not thick, which I like. It's lightweight, so it's easy to distribute it. And I might have to go in and cut some pieces because they're like stringy. But first section down. Let's do the others.
Rumble on the track.
Timothy, it's time to take over.
Rumble on the track.
Timothy, it's time to take over.
Okay, so I'm done. Now I'm gonna just cut where I feel like it's necessary.
Rumble on the track.
Timothy, it's time to take over.
Why I don't do wash and goes, because I feel like this is a fail. Like, my hair in the back is defined some, but I don't know, like I don't know what to do. I get just discouraged because it's like I love volume and I want my hair, literally I like my hair like this big. It's just I want my curls to be defined. Maybe I just have to find the right products, I don't know, but I just have to play with it. It's not all the way dry, meaning it's gonna get even bigger. But I'm gonna finish letting it dry. It's getting dark, so that's why I'm just gonna end the video here. But this is how it came out. It's not that bad. I've been cutting off, you know, like pieces here and there that are just, you know, straight on the ends, and that I feel like could make my wash and go better. But
Rumble on the track.
we gonna have to just see, and I'm just gonna have to play with it and shape it a little more. I want to get it professionally shaped because this is just not it. But I don't know, if you guys have any suggestions down below, let me know. Like, I just have to play with it some. It's not all the way dry either. It's like still very wet. Like, I definitely think that I have low porosity hair because my hair is, or I don't know, because my hair is so wet back here. Even after all of that I just did, the blow drying, diffusing it, it's like very wet back here, like. So yeah, if you guys have any suggestions, let me know below of what you think that I should do. This is it. Like, I'm just gonna let it dry and see what it does. I might come back on here later and if it looks better, but this is the final look. I tried to wash and go, and I don't really know if this was a fail or not, but this is how it looks up close. Yeah, it's not the best. Like, I literally don't know what to do at all. And I'm tired of wearing my hair in like protective styles, like twist outs. I want to be able to do a wash and go. So I'm gonna figure this out. That's why you should be subscribed, so you can watch me figure this out, especially if you have similar hair to mine. Like, it's very thick, and I feel like that's definitely you know, one reason it's not really cooperating how I'd like it to. But we're gonna figure it out. So go ahead and subscribe. Comment below any suggestions you have for me. What you think I should do with this, because it's a lot and it's not working out. But I'm gonna keep on trying, because I want my hair to be able to be wash and goable, okay? So go ahead and check out my other videos. Follow me on Instagram. I have it linked down below. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.